Hey guys, welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to bake a delicious, moist oatmeal banana bread. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my contents. All that I'll be using to prepare my oatmeal banana bread will be listed down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's all that you'll be needing to make your oatmeal banana bread. You're gonna need some salt, some cinnamon powder, some vanilla essence. You're gonna need some extra virgin olive oil. You're gonna need some rose water. You're gonna need some mixed essence. You're gonna need some brown sugar. You're gonna need some nutmeg, some baking soda. You're gonna need your ripe bananas. Also, you're gonna need your almond essence. You're gonna need some oats. You're gonna need your self-rising flour, and also you're gonna need 1 lemon, and here you're gonna need your eggs. I'm gonna start out by mashing my bananas into this container here. Guys, you wanna make sure your bananas are properly ripe. You see these are the spots on them. Guys, know that those bananas are overripe. They're the best bananas to use when you're making your banana bread. So remove them from your skin now. Using 4 bananas to make this oatmeal banana bread. I'm going to start to mash them. Guys, you can use a fork or you can use your potato masher to mash it, but I'm just using my potato masher to make it easier. Now this is how you want your banana to be when you finish mashing it out, just like that, guys. Now you just want to go in into your sugar. You're gonna use your mixer now, guys, to give this a mix. Mixing your sugar with your banana that you just mash. There you have it, guys. So you want to mix out your brown sugar into your mashed banana. Now I'm going in with my eggs. I'm using 3 eggs, guys. You want to make sure you remove that little white thing on the egg before you add your egg to your mixture. Remove those eyes from it, guys. Now I'm just going to eat one at a time. Then I'm going to mix. Going with one of them, guys. I'm gonna mix those eggs into my mixture now. There you have it. I finished mixing my eggs. Now it's time to use my extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna mixture now. Mix now. You want to mix in your olive oil into your mashed bananas and those eggs and sugar. Yes, guys. There you have it. I've finished mixing in my olive oil. Now, guys, I'm going to add half of this lemon juice to my mixture. I'm going to cut some of that rawness from that egg. Juice this now. juice now to your mixture. I'm just gonna mix in that lemon juice now. There you have it. I've finished mixing in my lemon juice. Now I'm going in with 1 cup of my oats into that now. Nice. I just want to mix that in now. There you have it, guys. Mixing my oats into that now. I'm going in with my vanilla. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now my almond essence. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of my mix essence. Now my rose water. Guys, you just want to go ahead and preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Gas mark 4. Nice, guys. Meanwhile, you're mixing your mixture. You just go ahead and preheat that oven. I'm just going to give this a mix again, mixing all of those essence into my mixture. There you have it, guys. I'll finish with my wet ingredients. Now I'm just gonna put this to the side. I need a separate basin where you'll be sieving your dry ingredients. You want to start out with your flour. Also your baking soda, salt, nutmeg, and also your cinnamon, you just want to go ahead and sieve that now. A fork or a spoon, just give it a mix, guys. Mix all of that, the ingredients together, combine them good. Just like that, guys. Now you're gonna get your wet ingredients. And you're just gonna add it half. Just add half of it first, and then you mix that in, guys. Just wanna mix and fold this in now into your wet ingredients, your dry ingredients. Just mix and fold that in. I'm telling you, it's so nice, guys. I made it already, and I'm telling you, it was so lovely. And I said, why not share it with my subscribers and my viewers? Yes, guys. So let me share it with you guys. Guys, if you're not subscribed and you're watching, please go ahead and click that subscribe button on the right hand side there and put your bell on all so you can be notified when I upload my videos. Yes, guys. Now I'm going in the rest of my dry ingredients. Just like that. mix and fold, you see? Guys, I wish I was in the kitchen to smell this mixture. Smelling so nice, guys. Right bananas, mix up with those essence. Tell me it smells so nice. Like that, guys. So you want your mixture. Perfect. Just like that, guys. Make sure you mix it in properly. There you have it, guys. So you want the mixture to look like when you finish mixing up everything. That's how you want it to look. Now guys, you want to go ahead and get your bread pan, but you're going to bake your banana bread in. Guys, I've already oiled my tin and put my parchment paper in it. I use a light sunflower oil, spray oil. Yes guys, this is how you want to do it. Put in your parchment paper, grease the side, everything, and then put in your parchment paper, guys. Now I'm just going to add my mixture into this now. Guys, I'm telling you, it's smelling so nice. There you have it, guys. You just want to give this a shake to get any air bubble out of it. Just gonna add this into my oven now. It's preheated now, so I'm gonna put this in now, guys. Now you want to place your tin in the middle of your oven, just like that, guys. And you're gonna leave that for about 45 minutes to an hour. Yes, guys. And I'll get right back to you. Now, guys, it's 1 hour now. Checking back on my oatmeal banana bread. Yes, guys. And here you have it, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Yes, guys. Now I've removed my oatmeal banana bread from out the oven after that hour. Yes, guys. Now you're gonna take your knife, stick inside of it, just to see if it's properly baked. Look at that, guys. You can see my knife is not wet. Do that one more time. Guys, just like that. So you want to bake your banana bread to cool for about 15 minutes. Yes, guys. But I'm just gonna make a glaze to put on the top of my banana bread using some honey, a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of unsalted butter. You're just gonna glaze it on the top with it, guys. Now I'm going in with just a tablespoon of my butter. Yes, guys. Just adding it into this. Also, tablespoon Now you're going to put this in the microwave for 2 minutes and heat it up to melt the butter into your honey, and then you're going to mix it up. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm all finished. Now guys, here's my glaze that I made, the butter and the honey. Yes guys, for that 2 minutes in microwave it, melt your butter in the honey, guys. Now you're going to get a brush and start to glaze the top of your honey. In the meanwhile, it's banana bread is warm, you just want to glaze it. Guys, just like that. Now guys, when you finish glazing it with your butter and that honey, you just want to go ahead and get some of that dry oats, just a sprinkle on top, just like that, guys. Just a decoration, guys. guys, now you're gonna leave it to cool for that 15 minutes. Now it's time to remove my oatmeal banana bread from my baking tin. Yes guys, you just want to hold the two sides of your baking paper, parchment paper. Just easily lift up like that. Yes guys, that's what I'm talking about guys. So remove it like that. Now you're going to get your plate, you're going to put it in. Yes guys, go ahead and put it like that guys. Just put it on the side. Remove our paper. And there you have it guys. That lovely oatmeal banana bread. I'm telling you guys, it's smelling so nice. Can't wait to have a slice of it. Yes guys, I'm just gonna cut it and let you see the texture of it now. Like that guys, I'm telling you, all moist and soft. Look at that guys. Wow, look at the texture. It's all soft guys. This guys, just like that. So you want to prepare your oatmeal banana bread. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this oatmeal banana bread when you give it a try at home. It's easy and simple to make guys, for you and the kids and the family. Yes guys, until next time, thanks for watching.